If you were prescribed SUPREP for your colonoscopy, this video will show you exactly how to take it. SUPREP is taken in two parts. The first dose is the evening before your colonoscopy and the second dose is the morning of your procedure. I'm Dr. Francis Horenstein, a gastroenterologist at DigestWell Health. Pick up your SUPREP prescription from the pharmacy at least 5 days before your colonoscopy. The entire day before your procedure, do not eat any solid food. Drink only clear liquids. Try to drink at least 8 ounces of clear liquid every hour after waking up so you remain well hydrated. Avoid red liquids, milk or creamer, alcohol, juice with pulp, and anything that you cannot see through. At 6 p.m. the evening before your colonoscopy, take the first dose. Pour 1 6-ounce bottle of SUPREP into the mixing container. Add cool water up to the 16-ounce line. Mix it and then drink all of the liquid in the container. Do not drink the SUPREP directly from the bottle without diluting it. Do not add ice, sugar, or other flavorings to the solution. After finishing the SUPREP mixture, drink 2 additional 16-ounce glasses of water over the next hour. This step is very important. The additional water helps the preparation work properly and helps protect you from dehydration. You may continue drinking approved clear liquids until midnight. Stay close to a bathroom after beginning the preparation. You will develop frequent watery bowel movements. At first, they may be brown and contain solid material. They should gradually become lighter and more watery. By the end of the preparation, the liquid should look clear or pale yellow without solid pieces. Even if your bowel movements appear clear early, complete both doses and all the required water unless your doctor tells you otherwise. On the day of your colonoscopy, begin the second dose 6 hours before your scheduled procedure time. Pour the second 6-ounce bottle of SUPREP into the mixing container. Add cool water to the 16-ounce line and mix. Drink all of the liquid in the container. Then drink 2 more 16-ounce glasses of water over the next hour. You may continue drinking approved clear liquids until 3 hours before your procedure. At that point, stop drinking everything. Follow this timing in your written instructions exactly. Do not guess or change the schedule on your own. Here are some helpful tips. Chill the SUPREP bottles before mixing them if you prefer the solution cold. You may drink the mixture through a straw. If you feel nauseated, slow down briefly and restart when you feel better. Use petroleum jelly or a barrier cream if frequent bowel movements irritate the skin. Call DigestWell Health if you have repeated vomiting, severe abdominal pain, and cannot finish the preparation or are unsure how to proceed. If you take insulin, diabetes medications, or blood thinners, contact the clinician who prescribes them for you before your colonoscopy. Bring an updated list of your medications. You must also have a responsible adult present at check-in who stays in the endoscopy area and takes you home after sedation. Without an appropriate driver, your procedure may be canceled. So remember, first dose at 6 p.m. Mix 1 SUPREP bottle with water up to the 16-ounce line. Drink 2 additional 16-ounce glasses of water. Repeat the same steps 6 hours before your colonoscopy. And stop all liquids 3 hours before the procedure. Following the preparation correctly gives your doctor the best possible view of your colon. For questions, call DigestWell Health at 614-547-2270 before your procedure day.